All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I am out here in the master plan community of Cadence, located on the southeast side of town. We are in the city of Henderson. Now, we're gonna be touring these two homes here by D.R. Horton, Symmetry Bay. So the first one that we're going to be touring is the 1715 model here off to the left, and then to the right, which is the 1865. Now, let me know in the comments below, right, out of these two videos, which home do you like better? But let's go take a look at the 1795. This features 3 bedrooms, 2.5, 2-story with a 2-car garage. Now the price on here, which is the base price, is $428,990. Now you're not gonna have too much an upgrade with this builder, because they do the spec build, which means they'll build out the home. You can change, you know, the countertops, 2-color cabinets, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go inside because it's a little bit windy and chilly today. Now, looks like the appliances are also included, which is really nice. There's a lot of things that are included, like this Sky Bell here. This is a video camera. Also, you will have to subscribe to a membership fee. Then we have this read key and also this combination code as well. Now, what's nice about that, you can also program it through an app that allows you to open or close the lock, okay? So here's the first floor. One thing I've noticed as soon as I came in, 9-foot ceilings, open floor plan. You do have this sliding glass door. This is a 6x6. So these are vinyl slides. They're not your top grade slides. However, this home is going to be more of an entry level home. Now pricing is not going to be too much higher. It's due to the fact that the lot premiums here are about $4,000. You've got 18 by 18 porcelain tile on the first floor. The cabinets here are not that high of a cabinets. They are definitely very low. So these are 30-inch cabinets. Now the countertops that you see here, let me show you the countertops. This is one of the options. Now when we head over to the second model, you'll see the difference of choice of countertops. Now you can upgrade the cabinets here. I do like the fact that the appliances are included as well. You get the whirlpool. Let's take a look here. Got a 5-burner. Now if you notice the backsplash, it's not tile, it's just wallpaper. Let's see if this also exhausts to the outside, which is really nice. Here is our 2-car garage, but that's an office, so we're not going to go in there. Here's your coat closet. So you probably had to turn this into a pantry. And we have an 18-inch smart panel box. You've got standard casings here around the door. You've got the orange peel texture, and then we have the 1/2-inch on the bull nose. You got the alarm system. Now, when it comes to your systems, as far as low voltage, your doorbell, your ring doorbell, your locks, okay, your alarm, your camera, you want to make sure it's all compatible with the app that you are using, because you may buy one product, you may install it, now you have 10 different apps. Like right now, I'm going through the process of adding more cameras to my home. I've got rid of ADT. Not saying it's a bad company, but check out the reviews and you guys will know what I'm talking about, okay? So the system that I have probably like total of 8 cameras. I've got the brake glass, the keypad, what else I have? The Ring doorbell. So everything is going to cost me roughly about almost $6,000 to own all the equipment. However, The key here is just to make sure everything is all compatible through one app when you are doing your smart home system. Oh, would be your pantry right here. Okay. Decent sized pantry. Now we do have some cover plates here. So that's something I would like to know, what's behind these cover plates. Definitely a nice open floor plan for sure. Now the home does come with a 10-year structural warranty as well. The concrete comes with the post-tension slabs. I like the fact that it does come with a soft water loop. Some builders will charge you up to $650 on a water loop. Also, I want to see, does this home actually come with a Cat 6? But no, it comes with a coax cable here. You do got some distribute sounds. That would be a upgrade. Now, one thing I do like about this home does come with a 225 amp breaker. A lot of builders will give you a 200 amp breaker. That's something that you want to check on your panel. So the other day I was doing a home tour here, and this is my second time doing a home tour in this home because of the audio pretty much was crap, so I had to redo it. Down here's the primary. And I had a fan ask me while I was doing a video home tour, what do I think about this model? So I explained to her that every home that you buy, the first thing that you're going to do is, if you do your full built out, how much is it going to cost you, price per square foot? That's what you can use as a barometer. Then you're going to see exactly what type of materials and products that you are going to get with the build. So a couple things I take a look at is, does it come with post-tension slab? That's important, right? Then I take a look at, how is the home built? 2x4s or 2x6? Then I look at the insulation of the home. Is it batten, all right, insulation or blown-in insulation? Does the home come with radiant barrier? The type of air conditioning unit, what is also the SEER rating as well. Okay, I look at the panel and see how many amps does it come with. And the soft water loop, is that free or you got to pay for that? Okay, so these are a few questions I'm asking, and this allows me to compare apples to apples with product and materials. And that's how you guys should be shopping a home for value wise. So like, let me give you another idea. The air conditioning unit, right? Right above here, we have a transfer duct. Is it a true transfer duct or is it a transfer grill? Okay. Also, does the home come with the Cat 5, Cat 6, or just coax cable? What are the locations? How many configurations can we do to that home? Like this one, you won't have that many options. The type of windows, right? Are these vinyl windows, right? Versus aluminum, right? What is the brand? Is it Alpine, right? Here's another one. Thermostat, okay? Is it 1 or 2 condensers? If it's 1, how many zones do you have? The water heater, right? Is it a tankless water heater? Another construction thing I look at, does it have a drain pan on the second floor? There's builders out there that does not provide a drain pan on the second floor, which I always believe it should be to code. Now with the paint products, I do want you to be aware that if you are painting inside the wet areas, you're always going to see a gloss, okay? And the reason why is because it could get very humid in here, and you want to make sure that drywall doesn't suck up that humidity. So that's the reason why they always do the gloss. Right above here, we have 2 24x24 air filters. See what we have down here. We have a bedroom. Now these bedrooms are probably 11 by 11. We have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. The carpet pad on here is pretty comfortable. I'm gonna say this is probably about a 6-pound pad. The thicker the pad, the better it is. Also, when it comes to the carpets and the pad, they do have pet resistant pad as well. Also, depending on if you have kids, high traffic areas, this may be a good color for the home. But also, does it match your color scheme as well? Let's take a look at the bathroom. Again, we have 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Now, let me give you another example here. We have a tub, right? One thing I take a look at, some builders may give you a 4-piece fiberglass tub. This is an all 1-piece fiberglass. Now, this is not your top-notch product. However, if you get this and you're comparing one builder to another builder that has the exact same one, what is the brand? Like Aqua, right? Which is the brand I like for this type of configuration, right? In the secondary bathroom, is if you take a look at the glossing, okay? Because what happens is on this fiberglass, they put a clear coat. How thick that clear coat is. The thicker the clear coat is, and it goes by mils, the better it will be, right, for the lifespan of this tub. Because eventually what's gonna happen is as you come in, you start scraping this, create grooves, and you're gonna have that grime and gum in there, and it's gonna be very hard to get out. And you're gonna use the wrong products, you're gonna end up scrubbing it, and you're just scratching that clear coat, which you're pretty much damaging your tub. So these are things that you should be looking out for and just keep in mind and also take into consideration. Oh my gosh, we have a guitar. Let's see if I can play some music for you guys. Let's have some fun. When I was out in Hawaii, I did buy an ukulele, which is I paid hundreds of dollars, and I went on YouTube to learn how to play this thing, and I'm not good at it, but let's see if I can play surf. Here we go. Alright, let me just sit down on here. I just want to entertain you guys for a little bit, okay? You know what? This thing is not tuned, that's the problem. Hopefully you guys got a good laugh out of it, you know what I mean? Look, business is business, but you also have to have fun too as well, right guys? So here's another bedroom, all stock, all standard, casing standard, baseboards are all standard too as well. So I'm gonna say overall, this is not like your top products that are in the home, but for the price of a home like this, I mean, we have a 4-bedroom home. Coming into the last bedroom. Not bad. Okay. This is kind of interesting. They got a little nook right here, a little niche to put some things. I guess that would make sense. Definitely need some artwork down here. Not bad of a home. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this property. Also, right nearby this new community, they do have a park that they're just building right here. It's about 100 acres, and it's the county's actually building it, right? Or the city of Las Vegas. They're gonna have basketball courts, I think, baseball field. They're gonna also have pickleball, which is, I think pickleball is now becoming a big thing. One thing I do want to mention, I think is also important, is the lots. They have 110 lots. They've just sold 4. And HOAs are $50 a month. Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys can see yourselves living here, And let me know if it's worth the asking price. Give us a thumbs up too as well. Also, don't forget to tune in every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we just talk about real estate and what's going on. Now, tomorrow on the LV Home Experts podcast, we're just going to go over the market stats and kind of give you a general idea of what's going on with the housing market. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.